What's going on, guys? This is Mando with M Traders, and we're going to talk about natural gas. I mean, obviously it's Sunday, so I'm not going to talk about any other stock today. So why natural gas? Well, it starts today to trade, so that's pretty good. Also gold. If you guys know, maybe kind of wondering why gold went up today. That might be because of the Trump tweet about the 25% tariff by Friday. Yeah. Okay, everything drops right after that tweet. Might be a good dip buy for me. I do not advise to do as I do, but you know how things go. Somebody tweets something about something and the world crashes, and then all of a sudden they're like, oh, we're back to talks, and everybody starts buying again. It's just hilarious how the system works. However, it might be a good dip buy for me, but anyways, it's better to play natural gas because that one actually almost does not care on tariffs. That might be a lie because you still got exports. So, and China, I think, is a consumer of natural gas or LNG. But anyways, the big players are United States and the states, basically. All the states are the ones that care about natural gas. Now, let's get to it. So we opened up, we gapped down just a bit, right? Not a lot, just a bit today. We hit our low of 2.552. Now, fundamentals do state that 2.50 is an extreme buying zone for commercial buyers, especially the ones that are in the energy sector. So now, if it does fall below 2.50, I'm definitely adding a lot into natural gas. Well, I don't play natural gas, but I do play UGAZ, DGAZ, and I must start doing options in UNG. That might be the smart thing to do. If it stays below this, if it's able to hold at these levels, that means that this is a pretty good support level. Now, why do I think this area is a good support level? Well, this line right here, if you guys see it, it's actually, let me take a picture, quick picture. This line right here, right? This is a good multi-year support. You know, kind of wanted to reach here and it rejected. Try going another low, it rejected. I don't think the bears are interested on pushing it down further. If they are, they're not too many. Now, I think it's holding this level because there's more interest, more bulls are interested on buying at these levels because this was a multi-year support, right? So let's see the multi-year support. What do I mean by multi-year support? Let's see if I can pop this. I think if I take this out and I take this out and I take this out and then I just go like this. Much better. So now let's go see the multi-year support. If we see right down here, it got rejected 2.55 area, rejected 2.55, 2.55, 2.55, little bit below 2.55, maybe 2.54, 2.55, got maybe a little bit below 2.55, but you see all this level. This is a multi-year, several years since 2016. Since 2016, this seems to be a pretty good support. Also, this area right here kind of seemed to be a pretty good resistance. However, we saw what happened this last year. It went all the way to 4.929. It's ridiculous, right? So could we gotten into this level because of how high we went? Maybe, who knows? However, fundamentally, there's nothing really supporting gas to push lower to the 2.0 level. I do not think it's gonna go lower than what it already reached, just because it showed that that it actually bounced back and recovered pretty significantly. We said that recovery went all the way up to 2.62. So I hit this level, recovered to 2.62. That's a significant recovery, right? So we think that there's a lot of bulls that are much interested in buying the dips than there's bears, buying the rallies, because again, we're coming into the hot months and commercial companies are starting to buy already natural gas. Natural gas is very attractive below 2.55 for commercial buyers, especially if it holds above this level, about 2.55. Commercial buyers might have to be forced to start buying at these levels. Now, they might want to wait and see if it goes down. We would just have to wait and see. I am in the UGAZ, right? I bought it around this level, and like I said, I think I prefer buying UGAZ or UNG options, right? Call options. I'm gonna start doing that from now on, thanks to somebody from my Discord chat. I guess it's pronounced Fugor, Fugor. So he kept telling me, why don't you buy options? I'm like, that might make sense. A lot of people are like, well, you don't have the volatility as UGAZ and DGAZ. Well, guys, let's put it like this. It's kind of buying a penny stock when you buy options, right? When you buy options, is basically you buy it for $1 and you're hoping for a 10-cent increase on your dollar per trade. That's a lot. That's like 10%. Most of the time, your dollar might go to $5 overnight. That's kind of like buying penny stocks, but with blue chip companies like Google, Amazon, and all those good companies. So I do believe that buying options might be a good strategy. We know it's going to go up. Might as well have a little bit long-term investment on this. So currently, you guys might jump into UNG call options tomorrow. I would have to see where we, start off the day and go from there. Okay. So fundamentally, the weather models came bearish, so there's going to be less consumption of natural gas. So we have to see how the natural gas is going to behave with no real bullish weather models or any type of bullish news. If it's able to hold at these levels again, even with bearish news, because currently we have slightly bearish news, and if he's still holding at this level, that might be a good sign that it's going to be supported at this level. But again, it's all about watching the stock, because natural gas is very volatile. It's, I think, the second most traded commodity in the world, and it's only based on United States consumptions. So, but it is traded all over the world. So trust me, everybody's watching it right now. Let me see if I have anything else that might be useful. Oh, fair value. The fair value of June contract is at 2.66. Actually, May contract is 2.66. So fundamentally, it is believed that 2.66 it's a fair value. So it's not too expensive. It's not too cheap. It's just fair. So we do think that this might go to 2.66 again, trading in June, and then maybe July might be trading into the 2.7 area, then go back down by August, September, and coming into October, then we start getting into the fun stuff when it starts going crazy above $3-4 per MMBTU. So that being said, a little summary: I am bullish currently. Especially if we hold about 2.55, that's a very good sign that it's gonna continue the uptrend. If it doesn't fall below that, of course, I mean, it's kind of common sense. If it doesn't fall, okay, then it's bullish. However, if it still trades sideways, that means that there's just people waiting for news to come in, being bullish weather, and just buy the living, what, out of it. So I'll be patient. I'll see if it holds. If it holds, I might jump into calls. If not, might have to exit my UGAZ position and wait for a better entry. And that's all I have for NG. I'm going to make a video about option strategy, which I think it's called a straddle, which I believe is amazing. and I'll show you guys why. So, but anyways, that's in the next video. So see you guys later.